Okay, bro, good afternoon. Okay, to show you how I added it, now you just come to your product. If you come to product, you'll be able to see product category and product tag. Now, this is the product tag of which you are talking about. If you click on it, you'll be able to see those stuff, those things that was uploaded. Though I removed it earlier on and edited it, you understand? So I just quickly click here, you understand, then you'll be able to see it. I don't know if you're getting it. This is on your tag. After I removed all of them, then sorry, in order to make it quick and faster, you just select here, select edit, then apply. When you apply, it's going to bring down this drop down here, which will now ask you to select product category. You can see it right here. Can you see it? Product category. Then you select Legos. But before then, you must have done one or two things. You must have created this product category already, which is Legos. Now, in order to create this product category, you come back to you can see here from products, you come to categories. If you click on categories, you'll be able to see all the categories available, right? Now we have on product category we have Legos, right? Under Legos you have 11 products under it, right? You click on it, then it brings all the products. That's because I've already moved it to this category, right? Now if you check here, it has product category. I think this one now was this test billboard. It was just added now. This particular one published today around 3:46. You can see it. So but this tag, the thing about tag is not used actually to populate products. It's just for search engine optimization. That's the main purpose of this tag in WordPress. So this tag, the work here is when let's say edit one of these, you click here, you understand? So if you come here, you can see product tag, right? Yeah, what's the name of this particular product? You can see testing billboard, right? You copy it. I copied that name, then I paste on product tag, which is the name. That product tag helps to, you can see, click add, it adds, you can see it is separated by semicolon, which is used by search engine. It's always important to add that, but sometimes it's just like that. So this is where you see all your product category. Then I update, I click on update. Let's go back to all our products here so that we'll be able to see what we have right here. Now you can see the product. You can see this one now has tag as what is it called, test billboard, right? That's the product tag right now, you understand? So this one now still have product tag as Legos. It doesn't matter, but what we have now is on category. We have only Legos as category. There is no other states or any other location yet for now. Then if you want to add fresh product, you just come to add new. Let's say you want to update a new project that they did. You come to add new, then of course I believe you know how to add product, so you enter the product details here. Now if you want to create another category, let's say apart from Lagos you want to create something like for Abuja, the billboards that are at Abuja or something, or Ogun State, whichever state. Now you will just come here and create another category, right? Now under the category here I will create, let's say quick one. I will say FCT, right? Slug, you say same FCT. Then I don't need any parents category, right? Had it been I'm creating something like maybe billboard at Lekki, then the parent category here will be will be Lagos, so it will be under Lagos. I don't know if that's a location under Lagos, but when it's a location outside the state, you create it as a new parent. You understand? So you can put the description if you want to, you can put the image if you want to, but me, I'm just leaving it like that. I click add new category. Now it has added new category, right? Which is here. You can see it. You can see it has 0 here. Uncategorized, it has 0 here. Lagos has 11, which is count, which is 11 items inside Lagos, right? Now at the end of the day, what you just need to do is go back to your your product. If you want to add new, you click on add new here. You come down in order to select the category, because I believe that we know about the names and all that, and product description and all that, right? So here you can see now that I have FCT, right? Not just only Lagos, I have FCT here. So if I select FCT and Lagos, it means that that billboard is at FCT and is in Lagos too. But if I should select only this, it means that it's only here, right? That's just it. Then you can still add product tag if you choose to, but it's not necessary, but it's important. It helps you on search engine optimization. That's just the truth. Now you publish, right? You publish. When you are done with that, I don't need to add any other one again. Only editing one. I think it's okay. I've edited one, or if I should add one, I don't know, but I think everything is fine like this. So that's just the simple aspect of it. Now from the what is it called, in order for us now to be able to make that product category appear instead of the tag appear, first of all we need to create it from here. I believe you know it from what is it called, WooCommerce. Sorry, sometimes I used to forget it. WooCommerce Yeet or something, yeah. Then product category, Ajax product filter, right? You click on it in order to create a filter, in order for you to be able to filter more, right? In order for you to filter maybe Abuja own, Enugu own, Ogun State own. You can see here, this is the first one you created, and this is the one I created, right? You now add another preset, all right? If you add another preset, you just get to name the preset and all that. When you don't naming it, you can say test and all that, right? Quick one, test. Add new filter. Let's say new filter. You can see it's coming from product category here. You can see it. Choose taxonomy, which is select which taxonomy to use for this filter. I'm choosing product category instead of product tag, right? That's because there is a product category already that exists, right? Here now, you might say FCT. If you call one of the category there, it will fetch it. FCT, it should be able to bring it down here. Yeah, you can see it automatically. It brings it down here. If you put Lagos, it will find it automatically. Right, you can see right here. Then on categorize, you can remember we have a categorize on that on categorize, right? Yeah, you can see it right here, right? So you must add this. If you don't add it, you can't use it. Then when you just do FCT, because I want to use FCT just for testing, in order for us to see. Now you can make it in order just to be just only letter, no need of selecting it, right? Just a test, right? So this is the label FCT. Go. So here, where is it? Allow multiple selection. Here we don't actually need anything to do here, right? Since they are not buying that particular project, it's not a product that they can buy. Had it been a product that they can buy, you'll be able to say, okay, select this and select that. They can only send a quotation, and now you save. Right, when you are done, remember it's on that test, that's the name. Now I say save preset, right? Now if I come back to the list, this is under the filter, in order for us to be able to filter the one for that FCT, right? The designs of the product that under FCT category. Now we can see I have text, I have Lagos filter presets, I have state. This is the one you created before, this is the one I created new, and this is the one I just created right now, right? Now in order for me now to work on this one, I will just come back here. I will go to that our billboard page, right? If I get to our billboard page, which is here, our billboard, I click on it in order for me to edit with Elementor. I don't need to start going to dashboard and all that. You can see here we have just Lagos, right? And we have how many? Yeah, 10, right? So I'll just click on Elementor. Sorry, yeah, it has loaded. Now, for me now here, you can see it's on that Lagos filter. If I want to select another one, it has, you can see here now state, which is the one that was created before, and this is test, the one that I just created now while I was making this video. I don't know if you understand. So any product that is under this test now will come up when you select it, right? It will display when you select. Every product under this test will be the one to display, depending the section of where you want it to display. You can make different column or different section or something, but I'm leaving it the way it is because I don't want to change it. I'm just showing you how to do that. Okay, I think that's all. Yep, that's all. When you're done, you save. If there's any changes you make, you save. You can see, you update if there is any change you make. So you leave it as the way it is. Okay, just for test purposes, you can. Okay, just leave it. Don't update. Don't do anything. You just leave it because I'm not changing it. So I just go back, right? I go back to my dashboard. Quick one, and I think that's just it. That's all. There is not much thing in it. So thank you. Whatever, if you need any other thing, please let me know. Thank you.